Warm welcomes all on behalf of the Indian College of Pharmacy. Welcomes Mr. Vijay Kumar Shupuje sir, who is the director of Patlex Business Solutions, a knowledge processing outsourcing firm. He is an entrepreneur with interest in innovation, law, patents, and research and development. He is a registered patent agent with Indian Patent Office. He carries with him more than 13-year experience in pharmaceutical industry and law firms in the intellectual property rights area. During this tenure, he served various organizations like Ranbaxy, Wockhardt, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. M.Pharm in Pharmaceutics by qualification of Mr. Vijay Kumar Shupuje sir. He also did his LLB later. He also worked as a book reviewer for Oxford University Press, Journal of Intellectual Property Law and Practice. He is also associated as a mentor of change with Niti Aayog's Atal Tinkering Labs ATL. This is a government of India program, and the concept is a strategic nation building initiative, as a part of which whole be working with the young minds, especially the students in the area of innovation, entrepreneurship, leadership, and motivation. Currently, Mr. Shupuje sir is serving as a IPR consultant with various industry chambers, academic institutions, law firms, and corporate. He also involved in the various entrepreneurial activities with VPAT app, Pharma Literia Center of Excellence in Pharma Education, and FlexiTutor. So now I request Mr. Vijay Kumar Shupuje sir, please guide our student.
एक minute. I am audible to Manke sir?
Yes.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
Manke sir.
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
audible to
Yes.
Yes.
you? Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
2 minutes, sir. Very good
Yes,
morning
ma'am.
to all of you. Very good morning to all of you. Honorable today's guest, Mr. Vijay Kumar Shupuje sir, Director of Platex Business Solution, all my colleagues and my dear students. Aim of this program is to spread the spirit and entrepreneurship among the students and inculcate the culture of innovations, skill development, and create a platform to realize their potential and promoting the students to start up and pursued the improving regional wealth as well as job creation. On behalf of the Anand Education Society, I welcome our today's guest, Mr. Vijay Kumar Shivpuje sir, who has readily accepted our invitation to guide our students. So we are very much thankful to sir for sparing their valuable time. I am also thankful to coordinator of startup and entrepreneurship said Mr. Manke sir for taking all the efforts to arrange this program. I hope that all the students will be enjoying for today's program and it will be provide you a new insightful path for your career or for your future. So be healthy and keep learning. Thank you very much. Over to Shiv Pujay sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kanti ma'am, for the kind words as such. First of all, thank you so much, the Anand Education Society as well as the Anand College of Pharmacy for inviting me, providing me this opportunity to interact with the students. Of course, this is through digital platform as such, but then I think startup is something which can be told through digital platform better compared to what we try to teach, because this is something very close to technology as such, the concept of startup. Thank you so much, ma'am. Once again, it's been pleasure actually, since we signed the MOU, thereafter, having this particular program during this pandemic. As such, frankly speaking, I rarely get an opportunity nowadays to discuss or interact with students as such, because in most of the cases nowadays more programs are related to research scholars or faculty development programs. But then I realized this is a great opportunity, आणि जेव्हा लातूरची मुलं आहेत तेव्हा आपण हा एक हे केलंच पाहिजे या एका उद्देशाने. सो थँक्यू सो मच. मी जास्त वेळ न घेता लेट मी स्टार्ट विथ माय ऍक्च्युअल प्रेझेंटेशन. मी काय सांगणार आहे, काय आणि इवन काय सांगणार आहे स्टार्टअप बद्दल, ऑन्टरप्रिनरशिप बद्दल, as well as what I'm doing sitting here. मी लातूर मध्येच आहे. I've been working in Latur since last almost 3.5 years now. मागची 3.5 वर्ष झाले मी लातूर मधनं काम करतोय under my brand Patlex Business Solutions as well as Pharma Literati. We have started 3.5 years back when I left my job, and then we are now in a position to call ourselves a brand. How did we actually move to this level? What kind of struggle we faced, as well as entrepreneurship is not generally for something which is I would say for everyone's cup of tea generally. हम लोग यहाँ पे स्पेशली लातूर में बोलते हैं कि कि business करना है तो generally should be done by Marwadis actually, but that's actually true. I have so many Marwadi friends here who guide me in terms of how to actually do the business and all, as well as but let me tell you, I'm a first generation entrepreneur. माझ्या family मध्ये कोणी business नाही केलाय. I'm the first one. In fact, let me just go to my PPT. Let me tell you about myself. That point of time you would have better idea how the things did, how did I actually move on. So as I said, I'm a pharmacist. मी routine जशी सर्व मुलांच्या डोक्यामध्ये असतं तसं B.Pharm केलं 2002 ला, आणि त्यानंतर आपल्याला त्यावेळी फक्त 2च ऑप्शन माहिती असतात, either M.Pharm or MBA, and either GPAT or CAT or CET. That's what we know. And maybe माझी situation तीच होती. I did my UG from Karad, Government College of Pharmacy, Karad, in the year 2002. And thereafter, traditionally, I did my master's in 2004 as such. I was very average student during my UG or PG. Maybe तुमच्यातली खूप सारी हुशार मुलं लातूर पॅटर्नची जी मुलं आहेत ती खूप सारी हुशार मुलं असतील. जी माझ्यापेक्षा IQ लेवलनी खूप जास्त चांगली असतील. व्हॉट हॅपन्स बट देन मी 2004 ला M.Pharm केल्यानंतर त्यावेळी मला like what happens after M.Pharm, what kind of job opportunities are available, this kind of information is available everywhere, but we don't know the right way to enter into that domain as such. And what happens is someone comes, someone tells something, and everyone just goes behind that particular person. For example, if one person goes to pharmacovigilance, then everyone wants to go for pharmacovigilance at that point of time. This is what happens usually. But then one thing that is most important for any of the students as such, for the career generally, is about what are your strengths. What are your strengths? What may be suitable for one student may not be suitable for other students as such. For me, I knew my strengths and my weaknesses. My weakness was that I couldn't work maybe in the research lab as such. मेरा practical hand जो है वो इतना अच्छा नहीं था. I was not meant for a lab, तो मुझे research में नहीं जाना था. And thereafter, what I did is I started looking for other options. उस time पे I got this opportunity to come across this department called intellectual property rights, patents as such. I was fortunate enough. Let me tell you, your grades, the certificates are what we get. The marks at times are not that important as such, because I'll tell you, when I started my career in 2005, that point of time, I was recruited by the biggest Indian company that point of time, which was Ranbaxy Research Laboratories. Although my grades were very normal, I was not an extraordinary student as such. What is important is what are your key skills or key strengths? What are your key skills or key strengths? And based on that, जो भी आप job कर रहे हो, is that suitable for you or not? I started my career in 2005, and for 12 and a half years, till 2017, I worked in the pharma industry. I represented Ranbaxy, Wockhardt, Glenmark, some of the biggest name in the Indian pharmaceutical industries, from the research, intellectual property rights department. 2017, I left my job. I was at my peak. My last designation was assistant general manager with a Bangalore-based pharmaceutical company. I left that job. I started my own. As a patent consultant. I started my own venture, or I would call as an entrepreneur. I started, and that point of time, I realized there are immense opportunities even for pharmacists, or even for people like you and me who have can do really good in terms of the startup space as well. Startup, I'm going to tell you what is startup. After that, in last 3 years, been associated with ASSOCHAM, it's an industry chamber based in Delhi, as well as Atal Innovation Mission, one of the finest programs government of India has got about the which is for the Atal Tinkering Lab as such. Also working as a mentor for Startup India, government of India now. Okay, helping the startups in terms of their IPR related activities and all. Now, how all this started, actually when I started with respect to the, हम लोग सुनते हैं स्टार्टअप इंडिया पॉलिसी आया, स्टार्टअप का पॉलिसी आया. पहली बात तो लातूर में स्टार्टअप पॉसिबल है क्या? Let us be very frank, let us be very precise. Is it possible to have something related to startup as such from Latur? Let us try to find the answer. But उसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले क्या जरूरी है जानना? Is a startup? What is a startup? What kind of startups are there across the domain? आप सब लोग मोबाइल के थ्रू ये देख रहे हो. मोबाइल के थ्रू आप देखोगे तो जैसे ही आपका स्क्रीन ओपन होता है, you have lots of apps on that. all these apps, so-called Facebook, the so-called Twitter, so-called Instagram, TikTok, all these apps, M Indicator, maybe like I have this Google Meet, Uber, Ola, Swiggy is there now in Latur, right? We have Zomato as well in Latur now. Uber Eats in Latur. मला आठवतं एक वर्षापूर्वी I was speaking with one of my friends in Germany, and she asked me, like, you know, casually ki Vijay sir, तुमच्या इथं लातूरला Zomato आहे का किंवा Swiggy आहे का? At that point of time it was not there, and I was just thinking how much time would it require for Swiggy and Zomato to be here in Latur. So but it just required 1 or 2 months, and we had all three brands right here. Startup is not something which is restricted to metros. In fact, most of the startups are coming from the rural areas. Many of the startups are coming because of the innovative ideas as such. Startup is basically like a normal entrepreneurship, or like, you know, और एक जो बिझनेस व्हेंचर बोलते, एखादी नवीन कंपनी चालू करणं ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, that is entrepreneurship. But then startup has something, is more or less similar, only with respect to some differences compared to, like, you know, the entrepreneurship or a new venture. And the differences are pretty clear as such, and like, you know, they have they are the kind of business model. For example, एखादा बिझनेस, लातूर मधला बिझनेस सेट होण्यासाठी मे बी 30-40 वर्ष लागतात किंवा ग्रोथ होण्यासाठी. But then if you see with respect to startup as such, startup साठी you don't need that kind of time as such. What is considered that the models or the businesses are scalable very fast, means खूप fast growth मिळते. Okay, that is one of the major difference between a startup and a typical entrepreneur or एखादा business venture ज्याला आपण म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये. So startup, if you look at this slide, it would give you an idea about, if I hope there must be some people at least coming from the business family or business background as such. When I say business, typically manufacturing business, someone has got something at MIDC or at some other location as such. Business models are attractive business models in case of startups compared to the traditional businesses. For example, who had thought of actually, like, my office is in Patil Plaza. Patil Plaza मध्ये इथं एक ट्रॅव्हल एजन्सी आहे, पुष्कराज ट्रॅव्हल्स, सगळ्यांना माहिती असेल. What happens when 20 वर्षापूर्वी जेव्हा मला लातूरहून मुंबईला जायचं होतं, तेव्हा मी पुष्कराज एजन्सीच्या ऑफिसमध्ये जाऊन त्याला पैसे देऊन तिकीट घेऊन माझं तिकीट कन्फर्म करायचो. And what had changed now today, maybe I was in Patna actually, and I wanted a ticket from Mumbai to Latur on the very same day. My flight was from Patna to Mumbai, and from Mumbai I had to come to Latur. That point of time I could do it through Redbus very easily. Right now, what is the difference actually? जो वेंडर आहे, जो बस प्रोव्हायडर आहे, जी ट्रॅव्हल्स आहे ती सेम आहे, पैसे मी देतोय, पॅसेंजर पण सेम आहे, मी त्याला देतोय, ते पण तो म्हणजे ती पार्टी पण सेम आहे. Only difference is when this transaction happened, when I booked a ticket on Redbus for the Pushkaraj Travels, that point of time, there was some money, 10, 15 rupees, 20 rupees or 50 rupees was also given to Redbus owner. Maybe for someone who is sitting in Bangalore, Gurgaon, maybe Chennai, Singapore, UK or US. Now the business models are attractive in case of startups. The scalability, the growth is really very fast. 10 वर्षापूर्वी आपण बायजू ऐकलेलं नव्हतं. 10 वर्षापूर्वी किंवा इव्हन 7-8 वर्षापूर्वी आपण बायजूज ऐकलेलं नव्हतं. The kind of growth Byju's has got, now they have sponsored the Indian cricket team actually, right? How it is being done, that's a different story as such. Traditional businesses जे आहेत तिथं स्केलेबिलिटी लो असते आणि जी ग्रोथ असते ती पण खूप स्लो असते. जेव्हा एखादा बिझनेस स्टार्टअप आपण म्हणतो, इट मे बी टेक्नॉलॉजी ड्रिव्हन, मोर टेक्नॉलॉजी ड्रिव्हन. कुठेतरी टेक्नॉलॉजीचा त्यामध्ये तुम्ही वापर करता अँड यू ट्राय टू रीच n number of users. For example, if I just check my YouTube channel, there are almost 94 people watching right now the video of a live video beyond the 100 participants that we have here right now. What are we doing actually? We are using technology to reach the end users. And if this is for education, right? But if it can be done for the business, then it makes more sense. And जेव्हा आपण हे करतो त्याला आपण, that's what we call as a startup. But again, it is not necessary that only technology driven companies are called as startups. Not necessary. जसं एखादी गोष्ट खूप लवकर वर जाते तशी ती तेवढ्या जोरात पडते असं म्हणतात. सिमिलरली वी हॅव मोर फेल्युअर रेट्स इन केस ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स ॲज सच कम्पेअर्ड टू द ट्रेडिशनल बिझनेसेस. म्हणजे जे नॉर्मल रुटीन बिझनेसेस आधीच्या काळी किंवा आताही आहेत त्याला जर आपण स्टार्टअपशी कम्पेअर केलं तर तिथं फेल्युअर रेट स्टार्टअप मध्ये खूप जास्त आहेत. पण the opportunities are really immense. The growth is really fast. 10,000 times, 50,000 times, 1 lakh times in 10 years as such. I'll tell you how is it done actually. Okay. Now, funding. આજકાલ, if you see, funding is something which is available for startups nowadays. Even Government of India is providing a lot of funding, as well as there are private investors. Funding agencies, angel investors, they are providing all these fundings. जशा बँका प्रोव्हाइड करतात तसं banks provide something called Mudra loan as well, up to 10 lakh rupees for without any guarantee for anyone. One of my students actually from Mumbai University, he got 10 lakh loan while he was doing his masters, M.Pharm करताना त्यांनी, and he started his own venture. So funding opportunities खूप सारे आहेत स्टार्टअप मध्ये. युजली काय होतं, एखादा जो कंपनी ओनर असतो ना त्याचा एक ट्रेडिशनल बिझनेसेस मध्ये हे असतं की मी धंदा सुरू केला किंवा मी बिझनेस किंवा कंपनी चालू केली, माझ्या पुढच्या पिढीनी हा धंदा पुढे न्यावा असा. स्टार्टअप मध्ये not necessary like this. In what happens in case of startup is there is always a exit strategy. म्हणजे मी आज जे करतोय त्याला एका लेवल पर्यंत घेऊन जाईल आणि त्याच्या बियॉन्ड मी त्याला एक्झिट करून I won't be part of that venture as such. So this is the basic actually difference. Startups are also more about the ideas that we have. आपल्या डोक्यात एखादी नवीन काहीतरी अशी आयडिया येते की ज्याच्यानी, अशा आयडिया काय असतात फार्मसीमध्ये मी तुम्हाला सांगतोय पुढच्या काही स्लाइड्स मध्ये. IPR ज्याला आपण काहीतरी नाविन्य किंवा काहीतरी असं नवीन जे असतं तशा काही आयडिया जेव्हा आपल्या डोक्यामध्ये येतात त्यावेळेला त्याचा आपण स्टार्टअप साठी वी कॅन ऍक्च्युअली यूज इट व्हेरी इफेक्टिव्हली. ट्रेडिशनल बिझनेसेस मध्ये जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर तिथं यू डोंट हॅव दीज ऑप्शन्स ऍज सच. ट्रेडिशनल बिझनेस मध्ये टेक्नॉलॉजीचा खूप कमी वापर करतात. कुठल्याही ट्रेडिशनल बिझनेसेस मध्ये जर तुम्ही पाहिलं तर तुम्हाला कळेल की ऍक्च्युली दे आर युझिंग ऍट द मोस्ट गुगल पे अँड जीपे अँड पेटीएमच्या बियॉन्ड त्यांनी टेक्नॉलॉजीचा वापर केलेला नाहीये. मी तुम्हाला काही एक्झाम्पल, लेट अस सी व्हॉट एक्झाम्पल्स वी हॅव फ्रॉम स्टार्टअप इन फार्मा. एक फार्मसीचं ना, ही स्लाइड मला खूप आवडते कारण ही बहुतेक सगळ्यांना माहितीये पण तुम्हाला कोणी सांगितलेली नसेल. फार्मसी हॅज गॉट one big advantage. Pharmacy as a field has got one big advantage. Pharmacy madhe, if you are from first, second year, third year, final year, you would understand that pharmacy is the only field wherein you read physics, chemistry, biology, maths, microbiology, statistics, IT, engineering, jurisprudence, QA, marketing, analysis, biotech, physics and physical pharmacy. Huh? Okay, physics not as in not direct physics. Now, all these things, if you see, there is not a single course which provides you maybe like, these kind of opportunities or learnings as such, which is a big asset as a pharmacist. What we do is we just try to neglect it. You ask a patent attorney like me, because मला फक्त इन्व्हेन्शन समजून घ्यायचंय. मला बायोलॉजीचं इन्व्हेन्शन पण जेवढं इझिली कळतं, फार्मास्युटिकल डोसेज फॉर्मचं इन्व्हेन्शन जेवढं इझिली कळतं, तेवढ्याच इझिली मला मायक्रोबायोलॉजीचं पण इन्व्हेन्शन कळतं किंवा रिसर्च कळतं. Reason being, I have studied all. I may not be expert in all these domains, but I have basic knowledge of even biotechnology. I can understand the biotechnology invention as well. This is a big advantage being a pharmacist, which has been like, no one tells you, because it has actually got lots of opportunities moving ahead as such. Not only in terms of jobs in the allied industry, but also in terms of what you call entrepreneurship or startup related activity. Let us see some examples of startups as such. What are students doing? What are they actually doing? Actually, like, pharma space is very wide. What we have is like, if you see the ecosystem, then we have doctors, the prescriptions, then we have the diagnostic labs, then we have the online pharmacies, we have the blood bank and the education space as such. या सगळ्यामध्ये there are lots of opportunities and people have explored these opportunities. I'm not going into the details of this particular thing because it's a big debate whether online pharmacy is good or bad as such. But there is a startup called 1mg.com. So this is an opportunity actually. For example, if a student wants to explore these kind of opportunities, sitting right here in Latur or any other location, you can actually develop a platform like this, which can be used very widely all across, not only India, widely all across the globe as well, based on what kind of platform you are providing and what are the services that you are providing under that. I'm again repeating, I'm not pro or anti online pharmacy, but I'm just exploring this as a case study for startup as such. Okay. Now, what has happened in last few months as such? March se leke August tak, 5 months, more than 5 months, almost almost 3.5 to 4 months into the lockdown, what we understood that the way the things are changing are really, really very different, and what we call it as typically as the VUCA world, wherein everything is uncertain as such. And therein, if you want to explore the newer ways, that point of time, you need to ensure that you have unconventional paths. And these may be some of the unconventional paths. I'll tell you some of the most interesting stories in terms of startups as such. Another startup, WonderX. This is one of my seniors. He's a co-founder in this. He's the owner director for this particular startup, WonderX. What they do is digitizing the prescriptions. So doctor jo likhta hai na, usually doctors are very hesitant to use the technology as such. But what they do is in that, like the moment he's writing with a normal, so the pen and paper they provide. Pen and paper, actually the company provides. The moment doctor writes something on the paper, automatically the same thing comes on your dashboard as such on that particular tab. Now, what is happening through this is it's a huge data that is getting generated at this point of time. What are we doing during the corona time or COVID-19 के time पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? हम लोग डेटा ही तो जनरेट कर रहे हैं कि कौन कहां से या फिर like what we call as contact tracing. That's what we are doing. This data may be a huge database as such, which can be actually really very much useful. This is what they are doing, and they are doing really good. Then we have another example into telemedicine, which is Practo. Telemedicine means phone calling to a doctor and paying through online mode. This was started by something called as Practo, and they have lots of doctors. Like, if you are stuck at some location, you don't know whom to approach, just go through Practo and you would realize that there is a list of practitioners who are available in that particular location. For example, for someone like me who has been extensively traveling, if I need any help of a doctor, unfortunately, that point of time, what I can do is I can just look out for the right doctor with authentic, what I would say, the qualifications and all, and the practitioners basically from this particular platform, something called Practo. Now, as a pharmacist, we know all these. How does these thing actually work? Or we also have something called bloodsure.in. One of the most wonderful concept, which is social platform connecting the blood and platelet donors. Means what? हमारे यहाँ पे जिथं तुम्ही ब्लड बँकेमध्ये जाता ना, तिथं लिस्ट असते डोनर्सची, त्यांचे फोन नंबर्स असतात. bloodsure.in did it completely online. Wherever you are in a city like Mumbai, which is like really big in terms of population, वहां पे अगर आपको at one location you're not getting blood, like bloodsure.in, आप just Google उसमें search करो app में, you would get list of donors from that particular blood group from different locations. What a wonderful idea, I would say, because in many cases, just because of the lack of blood or lack of the platelets as such, the people, or the people are not finding it the proper source for blood or platelets actually, that is something they try to solve. Generally, अगर आप लोग सब लोग देखेंगे तो you would realize that startups is just not about earning the profit. Startup is more about passion. Startup is more about I would say taking the idea to the next level, as well as making a social impact as such. What other domains? There are lots of startups in agriculture. There are lots of startup in IT. There are lots of startup in education space as well. We'll discuss few of those as such. But pharma mein, these are some. We have a Beto app, another wonderful startup which is into, I would say, diagnostics domain. Diagnostics domain मतलब जो आप blood glucose level check करते हो ना, वो आप एक minute में आप using that app, you would come to know what is that level, as well as you can get in touch with the direct doctor directly through Beto app as well. The moment you prick, that needle would have it's a strip basically. That strip is connected to the headphone jack, and it uses some kind of technology as such, and through that, अभी एक simple बात बताइए, during COVID no one wants to go to hospitals as such, because पता नहीं है कौन COVID-19 positive patient होगा या ऐसे तो सिंपल ब्लड शुगर चेक करने के लिए, लाइक देयर आर डायबिटिक, क्रोनिक डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स, उनको हर कुछ टाइम के बाद जाना पड़ता है, तो व्हाट शुड दे डू? शुड दे स्टे एट होम? नो, दिस गिव्स देम अ परफेक्ट ऑप्शन एज सच, राइट? दिस Vito app. One of my professors from Government College of Pharmacy, Karad, she recently, unfortunately, succumbed to the, she died because of the last stage cancer as such. And generally we know that cancer is something which, if it is detected at a very early stage, can be very easily treated. But then how to detect this? Now, these people have come up with Niramai.com, a wonderful startup. What it does is it actually is used for the diagnostics of the breast cancer. Actually, it uses thermal analytics and artificial intelligence to screen breast cancer, and through a mobile handset as such. Wonderful concept which has been doing good, and I believe this is the real see, startup में क्या होता है, यूजुअली अगर कोई एक किराना शॉप है, आप दूसरा किराना शॉप शुरू करते हो, तो इट्स लाइक जस्ट अनदर बिजनेस. Startup में you are trying to change the entire system that is available as such. Who would have thought कि, like for example, एक particular 15 years back जैसे SMS थे, आज SMS कोई यूज नहीं करता है. The things are changing very rapidly. The things are changing very dynamically. There are so many things that are actually what I would say is changing rapidly, or coming new with the newer technology, or maybe because of the COVID as such. There's so many things that are getting impacted as such. Therein there are lots of opportunities. What startups do is, startups basically, they disrupt the world. That means they disrupt the world, means they disrupt the domain as such. एक कोई सुपरमार्केट शॉप आ जाता है बड़ा, and it impacts 20 shops. What then? What's wrong? Is it so? In that case, what happens? एक जो सुपरमार्केट बड़ा आ जाता है, it is actually considered as a disruptor. Similarly, if you, and in these kind of cases, Niramai is doing good, wonderful, I would say, concept as such. And what they're doing is using the mobile, or like the diagnostics as such. They're actually what I would call it as they are actually using the diagnostics for the breast cancer, detecting it very early as such. So this is Niramai.com. My Udaan, another wonderful startup. I had this opportunity to meet the CEO of this particular startup. What it does, it provides assistance services at malls and multiplexes and large format stores. What do you mean by that as such? Actually, में wheelchair provide करते हैं वो लोग, but उसके beyond wheelchair का बहुत significance है, especially for the elderly or special children, or आपके घर में कोई patient है, उनके लिए wheelchair का उनका movement बंद हो जाता है. And especially in a bigger city like Mumbai, I stay in Navi Mumbai as such, तो वहाँ पे भी ये सारे issues we face as such, So what this does is they provide wheelchairs, but how do they provide wheelchairs? As a unique way, actually. What they did is, in each part of Navi Mumbai, they have identified the locations जहाँ पे आपका wheelchair जा सकता है या फिर नहीं जा सकता. And that list, that map actually, Google Map जैसे है ना, वैसे ही वो लोग map create कर रहे हैं. Isn't it a wonderful idea? To help the, so आपको पहले से ही पता है कि आप इस रेस्टोरेंट में जा सकते हो, आप इस मॉल में जा सकते हो. आपको व्हीलचेयर तो, और जैसे आप ओला बुक करते हो या फूड बुक करते हो स्विगी या जोमेटो के थ्रू आप खाना ऑर्डर करते हो, वैसे व्हीलचेयर ऑर्डर करो myudan.org. It would also give you an idea about how it can, how many, at what places actually you can actually access, like which are the places which are wheelchair friendly as such. A wonderful job this is doing. So all these are pharma startups as such. When I started my journey 3 years back, I'm a patent agent working with lots of corporates, but that point of time, we wanted to have a startup in the pharma education space. And instead of going through the traditional way as such for pharma education startup, we went through an unconventional way as such. Like, these are, of course, we are online education platform. I'll tell you what all we do as such and how are we doing. But then I'll discuss about this. But before that, I think what is also required to tell you here is the kind of services that are required for startups are different. मतलब जो एक कंपनी स्टार्ट करने के लिए जरूरी होता है, उससे अलग चीजें रिक्वायर्ड है आपको एक स्टार्टअप शुरू करने के लिए. एक स्टार्टअप शुरू करने के लिए आपको बेसिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बिजनेस सर्विसेज, फाइनेंसिंग और मेंटोरिंग की जरूरत है. द इंटेंट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्कशॉप इज दैट आपको अगर इनमें से कोई भी सर्विसेज चाहिए एज अ स्टूडेंट, देन we are there, Pharma Literati is there for you to help you out in terms of providing any infrastructure, business services related inquiries, financing. Yes, we are providing up to 1 lakh rupees to to the students for if they are coming up with a idea and if they want to work on those ideas as such. What those ideas can be, that those ideas can be anything related to any of the product which can be taken to the market and which can be actually, I would say, useful or commercializable. Basically, those things are something which would be taken care by Pharma Literati as such. Now, what we do, as I told 3 years back in January 2017, when we started as a Patlex Business Solutions, we are working with big corporates, and all this, as I said, I'm doing from Latur as such. We are working with big corporates. I have a European company as well who is my client. We are working with lots of startups, pharma, non-pharma. एक फार्मसीच्या मुलांना एक one thing I want to tell you, why I showed you that particular slide जहाँ पे सारे subjects थे ना. फार्मेसी अगर आपने as a course choose किया है and आप अगर करते हो, तो you have immense opportunities moving ahead compared to any other field as such. आपको बस proper guidance की जरूरत है and proper I would say मेंटोरिंग की जरूरत है. यूजुअली क्या होता है एट द मे बी मेरे टाइम पे भी यही था. अभी आई विल टेल यू हाउ वी आर डूइंग इट एज वेल. अभी ये है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स द काइंड ऑफ गाइडेंस वी गेट इज नॉट बियॉन्ड द सो कॉल्ड GPAT और एनीथिंग एल्स. GPAT के बियॉन्ड हमें नहीं गाइडेंस मिलता है. हमें एट द मोस्ट व्हाट वी गेट इज मास्टर्स करने तक का गाइडेंस है. बट व्हाट आफ्टर मास्टर्स? लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग. Have couple of students from the so-called biggest institute in India, who did their masters at the biggest institute in India. Now everyone knows, I don't want to name that institute on the public platform, but then what if they are jobless after 3 or 4 years? Something is wrong. something is wrong, what kind of guidance that is being provided, just like, you know, featuring or like, you know, providing you some updates, or like, you know, making anything or giving you an idea about just one side of the picture, one side of the picture as such is not going to work. What we are doing here, as I mentioned, we started working with educational institutions as well under the brand of Pharma Literati. Of course, we under Pharma Literati, what we are providing is different courses, different mentoring to the students. Yes, we are mentoring to the students. We are providing them internship opportunities working with us when they are studying. What we call earn while you learn. There are lots of students every year, around 20 students join me as an intern. They work on a live project at times, at times via like, you know, on a research project, at times with an industry mentor. So there are so many things that we have been directly involved into. What it does to the student, I'll tell you, it's just not about the certificates. I have so many students who said, सर हमें सर्टिफिकेट की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें जो एक्सपीरियंस मिला ना, फॉर श्योर it is going to help us in future, and we'll definitely be in a position to succeed because of this moving ahead. What is important here is that these students are working with us part-time along with their classes or the college, as well as they have been, at times they are working for 1 or 2 weeks. At times I have one student who worked with me for almost 2.5 years. She's still working with me, and location is immaterial. You don't need to go anywhere. आप अपने खुद के घर से ये सारी चीजें कर सकते हो. That's how we have been doing. And let me tell you, this year we got actually good number, I would say, of students from the premier most institutes all across India as such, like, you know, who have joined from the biggest institutes as an intern as such. And what happens, we are also paying them as such. So it's like, as I said, earn while you learn. While learning, you work on a project. It gives you an idea how you can actually work in a startup domain based on your interest. आपका interest कहाँ पे? At least ये होगा कि you may not be an expert, but 2 महीना, 3 महीना, 4 महीना काम करने के बाद you would come to know, okay, this is what I am meant for. मुझे ये पसंद आ रहा है या ये मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा. Accordingly, you can take your calls as such. So this is what like, you know, we have been doing with the pharma institutes. We have signed MOUs with 30+ colleges, like, you know, across Maharashtra and many other states as well. In the education space, of course, we've been working with, in some cases, for NAC and NBA support. We signed a MOU with SRTMU as well. Let me tell you, being a private party, I'm a very small firm. Signing a MOU with SRTM University was a big thing because it's a government university. We cannot have easy access to everything. Thereafter, we have conducted lots of workshops, more than 100 IP workshops in 3 years across 15 states. I have traveled across more than 15 states, like, you know, in with respect to conducting these workshops as well. And we also conduct these joint programs about like, you know, IPR, innovation, entrepreneurship as well, which are short-term programs as well. And most of these programs are designed by the industry experts, pharma industry experts, and from other experts as well. We are also involved into mentoring and training and like, you know, business setting for startups, or specifically the students as such. The journey when we started was really very tough, I would say, 3.5 years back. But कोई चीज आपको like if something is not challenging, then probably like it then probably the fruits are not that sweet. We had these fruits, some of these fruits. He's Dr. Abhay Wagh. We had this opportunity to get connected with the DT. One of those things which is very unique about us is that we are not working only with pharma. We are working with engineering colleges, we are working with management colleges, we are working with science college, law, commerce, arts. We are also working with some of the dental colleges and MBBS. This pick is from actually the GMC Latur Government Medical College में हमने एक program किया था वहाँ पे. We had this pick from when we signed an MOU with the Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir last year. Actually, when we had that opportunity, Patlex signed an MOU with the SRTMU. And it was really an honor because, as I mentioned, for a private party signing an MOU with a government university is a really tough task as such. Then we, of course, had lots of programs like, wherein I had that opportunity to speak along. But finally, we had this with the Honorable ex-Health Education Minister, Mr. Girish Mahajan sir, who had actually allowed us to give permission from Department of Medical Education and Research, DMER. The same program what we conducted in Latur, we also conducted a program at Government Medical College Aurangabad as well, and thereafter Corona started. I remember on 13th or 12th March I was in Aurangabad actually for the program. And all these things have been really, like I would say, a part of the journey. And actually, when we realized, okay, many of the students are not aware of the startup ecosystem or entrepreneurship mein kya karna hai. Therein, we started with this Pharma Literati Startup Express, wherein we had, when we started 3 years back, that point of time, access to any of the private pharmacy colleges also was really very difficult, but because we were new at that point of time. What happened this time when we started with the Pharma Literati Startup Express, we got the access to some of the biggest institutes all across India. I would say we had Goa College of Pharmacy, a government college. Second, SNDT University, another government college in Mumbai. Bombay College of Pharmacy, Pune College of Pharmacy, KM Kundani, AISSMS, even ISF College Monga. Then there was another college in Goa. Finally, we are here today on this 9th session, I would say similar session. The idea is to let the students know generally about how what is there in the startups domain, what we can actually do, or just can at least rationally think about. And of course, if at any point of time, if anyone wants any kind of help to understand or come up with an idea as well, we would be more than happy to help the students of Dayanand College of Pharmacy. And as I said, when we are involved into so many activities with many of these colleges, some of the ventures are what I would say business ventures. Like for example, the GPAT stuff that we are doing is business venture, but all these activities actually are pro bono. We don't charge anything to any students. Rather, in most of the cases, हम लोग students को pay करते हैं for working with us, for giving their time and learning new things. Because at most of the times that also acts as a kind of a motivation for many of the students. So this is what I have today. Sorry, I feel I have tried to make a justice to the topic that was given as such. We have been doing lots of activities, but then also I'm not well actually, but then I didn't want to miss this opportunity because this is very rare that as such, as I mentioned, we get an opportunity to speak locally as such. So thank you so much, everyone. If there are any questions, I would be more than happy to answer. I can see some questions on YouTube as such. One student, Vaibhav, is asking Latu students how they use this particular opportunity. I think to be honest, actually, just come once to my office. And discuss what are the opportunities or what you want to do, whether you are willing to do that or as well. क्योंकि हम लोग ना usually क्या होता है, कोई भी एक सेशन हो जाता है, एक सेमिनार होता है ना, उसका इम्पैक्ट आपके दिमाग में रहता है, नेक्स्ट डे सब लोग सब भूल जाते हैं. आई हैड बीन स्टूडेंट, मैं भी आपके जैसा ही था, मैं भी एवरेज स्टूडेंट था रादर, बट देन बी अ बिट थोड़ा सा seriously, if someone is there, definitely there are lots of opportunities. We have lots of opportunities. There are lots of startups in agro based commodities, or like like I met a startup actually in Navi Mumbai who is working in grading of the, I would say the wheat or jawar. Grading म्हणजे त्याच्या साइज नुसार जे आपण segregation करतो ना तसं. But that startup uses technology in that, and it was a wonderful concept, I thought, especially for a rural area, agro based स्टार्टअप मध्ये बऱ्याचशा ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आहेत. फार्मसीसाठी पण बऱ्याचशा ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आपण क्रिएट करू शकतो. व्हॉट इज इम्पॉर्टंट इज what is your strength and what do you really want to do that. Of course, there are lots of opportunities in terms of education, as in Latur is known for education pattern. We have been running this brand. If you see my brand right here, Pharma Literati, we have been doing as a Pharma Literati brand, we have been doing lots of things with lots of universities and institutes from Latur. We don't need physical infrastructure. One big advantage in case of startup is you don't need physical infrastructure. तुम्हाला एक 10-15 लाख 20 लाखांचं तुम्हाला कधीच फंडिंग ची गरज नाही. You start your idea as such, with one single concept, and then हळूहळू त्याला build करत जर गेलात तर it is very much possible as such. So I think that's what one question was there. If there are any other questions, I would be more than happy to take those questions. Otherwise, I'm done with the presentation. I'm thankful for the management as well as the Honorable Principal Dr. Kranti ma'am, then College of Pharmacy, for providing me this particular opportunity to present myself, as well as for inviting for this particular session, as well as Manke sir, other faculty members who have been and thank you students for I would say bearing me almost for 1 hour. Hopefully this would help at least some of you students, and definitely I would say hopefully the lockdown gets lifted very soon. You all come to college very soon, and if the institute allows, and if we have another set of discussion at the institute, that would be something which would be really useful as such. Yes, I have got one direct question here in the private chat. I won't name the student. Can we work with you in such pandemic time, and how? Yes, absolutely. I have got lots of students who are working currently with me. They are from different locations. They are from different I don't know them as well. Many of the students I have never met even. I've spoken with them over phone, and they are helping me with my business, and they are learning the new skills, as well as we are then getting if required, we are giving them letter of recommendation and the certificate as well for the internship experience as such. So yes, you can work with us in pandemic time, and based on your skill set, we would be assigning you one particular task as such. Then we also have one question, digital business are blooming, sir, can give some idea about it? Yes, absolutely. It's just a matter of time. Like, you know, in education space, 3 years back when we started, we were promoting technology in education. We were promoting technology in education कि आप technology का use करो education में. Everyone was denying it. And look at the way the things have changed in 5 months. Suddenly, everything has moved to a scale jahan pe everyone wants the digital education only now. Because of this, yes, there are opportunities, and it is actually, yes, it's been like, you know, online, or you cannot you just cannot actually, I would say, neglect the technology moving ahead. If you feel I'll tell you a simple example or simple thing. Actually, when we started with this, like, you know, a lockdown, we announced some programs online, and suddenly there was huge rush, like, you know, a huge rush as such for the enrollment and all. Thereafter, nowadays, I get a lot of inquiries for the programs as such. What is happening out is, agar aapko best of the resource, least of the price में आपको मिल रहा है टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से, then I'm delivering a session. Look at the number 7 or number 8. I'm delivering a session in Moga, Punjab, or Ponda, Goa, sitting at home in Latur. They are getting best resource at a very cheap price. Why won't you use technology moving ahead? COVID had changed it outrightly, and definitely I'll tell you, it's not going to end. And so COVID may get finished very soon, but this transformation or jo disruption hua hai in case of the use of technology in the education, that is going to have be there. We have more questions, sir. Can I take 1 or 2 questions more? There are more questions. Mankes, sir, I can take the questions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. How much fund, manpower, and management system is required to start new business startup? And any investment is there before joining? So, okay, let me answer the second question. Any investment before joining us? No, we don't take a single rupee from for joining us as an intern. And as I mentioned, depending on their contribution, we pay them actually the internship. अभी स्टार्टअप का जो है कॉन्सेप्ट, वहां पे फंडिंग, लाइक, यू नो, मैनेजमेंट यूजुअली 1 या 2 लोग स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट, एंड एज वेल एज अ न्यू बिजनेस प्लान या स्टार्टअप के लिए कितना आपको यूजफुल ये है, लाइक, यू नो, कितना बड़ा आपका प्लान है, एंड व्हाट ऑल द थिंग्स are required, what resources are required, based on you would have actually required. As far as funding is concerned, actually, I'll tell you, if you are from 2nd year or 3rd year BPharm, I don't know whether there are students from 2nd or 3rd year BPharm. अगर 2nd और 3rd year BPharm के students हो, आप इस stage पे start करते हो, तो आपको zero funding की जरूरत है, because you don't need to, you have 2 or 3 years time in your hand, 2 or 3 years in your hand, which you can utilize properly, and then reap the benefits of that answer. It all depends on what kind of startup you are looking forward to. Right? Can you share mobile number or site where I can get connected with? So I have just shared the email address, just pamalitrati@gmail.com. Okay, इस पे आप मेल लिखो, like, you know, if you can share your CV or interest in the internship, like, you know, that point of time my team would get in touch with you. and if required, would call you as well. I think I'm done with the questions. Thank you so much once again, sir. Over to you, sir.
Okay, on the behalf of the Anand College of Pharmacy, Latur, I would like to hearty thanks to our speaker, Mr. Vijay Kumar Shivpuje sir, for gracing today's webinar. Thank you so much, sir, for your interesting and thought-provoking address to our students. Next, I would like to thank our beloved principal madam, Dr. Kranti Satpute ma'am, for her presence for this webinar. Then I would like to thank all my respected faculty members for their moral support and guidance. Finally, I'm very thankful to my dear students. Thank you so much for your coordination. Thank you very much all. Now, ma'am, program conclude करायचा. Ma'am.